ASL Fingerspelling Secrets I Wish I'd Been Taught. Letter categories. In American Sign Language, each letter can be categorized into fist letters, up letters, down letters, side letters, and moving letters. These categorizations are important because oftentimes you will catch the shape of the word and then you will fill in the gaps to figure out what the word was that you read. Fist letters are closer to the shape of your fist. You can remember main toes, M-A-I-N-T-O-E-S. For up letters, you can skip the letters in the other categories and think of the letters that are tall, like B, F, and R. Obviously, G and H are side letters, and P and Q are down letters. J moves, and Z moves. This means if I spell jazz, you'll see the movement of the J and the double Z and be able to figure out I love listening to jazz music while eating my pizza. Down letter, fist letter, moving Z's, and the final letter that you caught. I'm divulging all of the secrets to fingerspelling in American Sign Language, so subscribe to Sign with Courtney.